delicious and nutritious quick Italian supper, a chicken ragu. So 1 carrot grated, a little bit of celery with the leafy tops, an onion, and some fat cloves of garlic, and a shallot. 3 turns of the pan with your EVOO. Add in your carrot for sweetness, celery, shallots, and we're gonna let that sweat. When we want vegetables to sweat, we're developing the sweetness and we're softening them. So we want to draw out their liquid. So you salt it. A little bit of garlic, we're gonna grate it right into the pot. Now we'll give it a stir. Everybody's in the hot tub, having a good time. Here's the lid. So, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the pasta. These are mezza rigatoni. So they're tiny little rigatonis, but any shortcut of pasta will do with this. When we come back, we'll talk about all the liquids and the herbs that are gonna go in here. Okay, so now with our chicken ragu, we stir in our tomato paste, just a good squirt. I always buy tomato paste in the tube so you can just pop it into the refrigerator instead of having to transfer containers. The secret to a lot of great tasting sauces and soups, especially for Italian cuisine, of course, is to throw in a big chunk of Parmigiano Reggiano, the rind, fresh bay leaf, a little bit of nutmeg, and anything white or with cream. Whoops, come on back here, buddy. Anything white or that has cream in it, or anything green, anything that has dark greens like spinach and kale and escarole. This sauce is going to be finished with a little bit of milk, half and half, or cream, whichever you have in the fridge. It's a Tuscan-style sauce we're making, so we're putting a little rosemary in. Then we're gonna add a little acidity, some white wine. Let that absorb. We're going to add, this is passata. It's tomato puree that's made from raw tomatoes. We're gonna put in about, 3/4 of this bottle, so about 1.5 cups. A little shot of chicken stock, homemade or store-bought. Give the sauce a place to cook out to. And then we're going to let the sauce absorb our milk or half and half or cream. About 1/2 cup. You're gonna blush your sauce. I just pulled some of the starchy cooking water. The pasta's got a nice bite left to it. Now we're gonna do the most important thing we can do to our pasta, marry the pasta to the sauce. Add in all of our little rigatonis. And then we add in that starchy cooking water so that our sauce doesn't dry out too much while we're tossing things together. And because we used the rind, but we didn't add any cheese, let's add some cheese. I am telling you, the family is gonna come a-running for this one. Look at that, right?